to 1.5 billion subs or tennis balls will rain from the sky continually, and they will not stop until I get to 1.5 billion subs. So I suggest that you better do it. Alright, so, Ripple headphone users right there, sorry about that. I decided I was gonna use a headset. We're back on Hypixel, and guess what? We're not doing another random day game thingy. I just hit a whole bunch of pillows and a whole bunch of dust came off of them, and now my nose is really itchy and annoying, and I hate it. So, yeah, sorry. I'll try not to do that. But, yeah, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna play Sky Wars, and I'm going to talk to you about my issues with my nose because I haven't made a video in a while. Oh wait, no, I was gonna talk to you about why I haven't made a video in a while and why I'm just doing weird stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so me and my cupcake skin are gonna go find Sky Wars. Yeah. Okay, RH. Okay, we just got into some Sky Wars. Alright, let's do some. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Let's do some. Let's do solos. Okay. Oh, you know what would look cool? If I did like a cutscene where I opened a chest and then like pause the. Oh wait. Can I? No. What? But can I? No. Okay. Never mind. Scratch that idea. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. So, what I'm just gonna talk to y'all about is, yeah, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, what I'm gonna talk to you guys about is that, so I've been playing a lot of Skyblock lately, you know, just kind of grinding on Skyblock, Hypixel Skyblock with MLG Jeffrey 7. And I didn't really want to make videos on anything else, but I've already started playing Skyblock, and I'm pretty noob, so I don't want to make videos on it, or because just I've already started, I'm noob, like I just so yeah, that's why I'm just not making too many videos. Plus, I'm just doing stuff, you know, like yeah. Anyways, so yeah, yeah. Also, my nose is not doing too well, so yeah. Yeah. Why does this dude think he can? What do you mean you're toasted? My guy! Oh my god, you're the. Oh, bro, no, no, no. What you. Oh, this kid. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Okay. Um, as I was saying, I want to use OBS, but I can't because my computer can't do that because it's so bad. Yeah. Okay. So I don't really got much to talk about. I'm just gonna, just go on with my day, Okay. Um, I am pretty energetic right now. It's just this. Dude, why are you here? What are you doing? Oh my god, who is that? Chick, oh, it's not Chick, oh, son, my god, what is this? Oh my god, I better not become a meme for this. Oh wait, no, I have no subscribers, so I can't become a meme. Give me to 1.5 billion subscribers, or else tennis balls will rain from the sky. I repeat, give me to 1.5 billion subscribers, or tennis balls will rain from the sky. Yeah. Okay. Hold up. I'm gonna I gotta take care of some stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and like I don't know. I'm gonna pause the recording real quick, and I'm gonna come back to you when I feel a little better. Oh, whoops, I made that too small. Hold on. There we go, now you can see everything. Now, I don't particularly feel better right now, because it's only been 5 minutes, and I was just messing around with my screen thingy. But I just hopped into a new type of Skywars, so, yeah. Um, yeah. Wait, we need 100 players? Okay. Um, guys, honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Um, okay, guys, so, I decided I would end the video, but yeah. Yeah, okay.